Warren Buffett can tell if a company will survive the next crash in about 30 seconds using 3 numbers on one page. That page is the balance sheet, and most investors have no idea how to read it. A balance sheet shows what a company owns, what it owes, and what is left over for owners. Buffett uses it to answer one question: can this business survive when times get hard? The first number he checks is debt, because debt is what kills companies in a downturn. He compares total debt to shareholder equity, the owner's stake in the business. As a rough rule, Buffett is wary when long-term debt is more than about half of equity. A company drowning in debt has no room to breathe when sales drop or rates rise. The second number is cash, because cash is what lets a company survive and pounce on bargains. Buffett loves a business with more cash than debt, a fortress that fears no crisis. He checks the current ratio, current assets divided by current bills due within a year. A current ratio above 1.5 usually means the company can easily pay its near-term bills. The third number is retained earnings, the profits a company keeps and reinvests over time. Buffett wants to see retained earnings climbing year after year, proof the business compounds. A long history of growing retained earnings is the fingerprint of a wonderful business. So Buffett's 30-second scan is low debt, strong cash, and rising retained earnings. If a company fails on debt, he often stops reading right there, because a great story means nothing if the balance sheet is a time bomb. During the 2008 crash, the companies that died were the ones buried in debt. The ones that survived and that Buffett rescued had cash and low debt. So before you ever fall in love with a stock, open the balance sheet first. Check the debt, check the cash, check the retained earnings in that order. Do that, and you will avoid the financial time bombs that wipe out everyone else. 3 numbers, 1 page, 30 seconds. That is how Buffett knows what will survive.